Hey YouTube, this is the Specialized P20. I think might be an AM, I'm not sure. I just got this bike today for $530. It's a nice bike. It's a Specialized P20. Alright, I'm going to do a bike check, so let's start at the top. We got these Specialized grips. They don't even slip. They're really nice. They have these bar ends that are made into the grip, but there's a bar end under there too, so yeah. We have just a regular brake lever, 2-finger, and then the Jaguar linear cable. Yeah. This is the P Series Specialized stem with the FSA headset. Right here are the gyro tabs. So this is just the frame of the bike. Not sure how big the top tube is, but here's it's I think it's an Alfro seat with a Specialized seat post. Hard plastic, slammed. That's how I ride. Here's the Specialized 25-tooth sprocket with just a regular KMC chain. I don't know if you can see. It says KMC. Right about. I don't know. You can't see that because iPhone's a bitch and won't focus. But yeah, it has an integrated chain tensioner with tie bolts and tie axles. Front rim is it's just the Specialized P Series rim with the Specialized P Series hub. This is a titanium hub. Yeah, the Specialized cranks. The Specialized PC pedals. Just a normal U-brake with detachable mounts. And I'll give you a hub sound in a minute, but this is a double wall front and a triple wall back with the Rhythm Light 20 by 2.2 back tire. And then we have another Rhythm Light 20 by 2.2 front tire. They look pretty hybrid. You know, they got street with some dirt treads in there. Yeah, this is a nice bike. I'm gonna give you a hub sound now. So just put the phone down. That's my hub, and that's my bike. So yeah, thanks for watching.